If you've ever made a mistake while editing in Photopea, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to undo in Photopea, how to redo your steps, and how to jump back through your edits using the history panel. This is one of the most useful things to know when you're editing images because everyone makes changes they want to reverse at some point. So whether you deleted something by accident, moved an object to the wrong place, or just want to go back to a previous version, this guide will help. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more quick Photopea tutorials just like this. Now let's get into it. The fastest way to undo in Photopea is with a keyboard shortcut. If you're using Windows, press Ctrl and Z. If you're on a Mac, press Command and Z. This will undo your most recent action right away. If you want to keep going back, you can press the shortcut multiple times and Photopea will step backward through your recent edits one by one. This is super helpful if you made a few changes in a row and want to reverse them quickly without using the mouse. Now, if you want to redo something you just undid, the shortcut is different. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift and the Z. On Mac, press Command, Shift and the Z. That brings back the action you reversed, which is great if you undid something by mistake. So remember, undo goes backward and redo brings it forward again. If you prefer using menus instead of keyboard shortcuts, Photopea also makes that easy. At the top of the screen, click Edit in the menu bar. From there you can choose undo or redo depending on what you need. You may also see options like step backward and step forward, which are useful when you want to move through your edit history more carefully. This is a good option if you're still learning the shortcuts or just want to navigate with the mouse. For bigger edits, the best tool to use is the history panel. This is especially useful if you made a mistake several steps ago and you don't want to press undo over and over again. Look over to the right-hand sidebar in Photopea and find the history panel icon. It usually looks like a small rewind symbol or a clock. Click it, and you'll see a list of your recent actions arranged in order. Every step you took in your project should appear there, letting you jump back to a specific moment instantly. For example, if you change the size of an image, applied a filter, and then moved a layer, but you only want to go back to the point before the filter, you can simply click that earlier step in the history list. Photopea will jump directly to that exact state. This saves a lot of time and gives you much more control than pressing undo repeatedly. A really important thing to keep in mind is that undo and history only work within your current editing session. So if you're working on a complex project, it's still a smart idea to save versions as you go. That way, if you ever need to go back later, you have extra backups just in case. But for quick fixes, the undo shortcut and history panel are usually all you need. So let's quickly recap. If you want the fastest method, use Ctrl plus Z on Windows or Command plus Z on Mac to undo. Use Ctrl plus Shift plus Z or Command plus Shift plus Z to redo. If you want to go back multiple steps at once, open the history panel and click any earlier action to jump directly to that point. Once you get used to these tools, editing in Photopea becomes much faster and much less stressful. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple Photopea tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.